Here's how you can fill in and sign your contract when buying a car from Cars24 in a few easy steps. First, go to the Cars24 website and log into your account. On the top right corner of the screen, click on your profile. From the drop-down menu, select My Bookings. Scroll down and go to My Purchases. Then select your car and click Track. Once you complete the insurance step, you'll be taken to the Tasks section. Under Tasks, click on Sign and Contract. Then select Sign Now and click Read and Sign. You will now be redirected to the DocuSign platform to finalize your documents. Click Continue and review the contract. You'll see a guide on the left side of the screen. Simply follow these steps as they appear. First, click Start. Then complete the required fill-in fields and add your signature when prompted. Next, you'll be redirected to the application for transfer of registration. Here, you'll need to add your initials and fill in the required details. Continue following the prompts and complete each section as guided on the screen. Once everything is filled in and signed, click Finish. And that's it. Your contract is now successfully signed.